Welcome. This video is part of the how-to series of videos for the online player accounts and player pages service. In this video we will show how to set a player account's custom field value, and then how to retrieve that value. Custom fields are defined for the developer's Games Studio account. Once set up, a custom field becomes available to all the player accounts that belong to that developer account. Until a value is explicitly set for a player account, its value will be an empty string. First, we will set a value through the Player Accounts and Player Pages Services API. As in previous videos in this how-to series, we use Microsoft's free Visual Code IDE to edit the project called Online Player Accounts call methods. Subscribers to the Online Player Accounts and Player Pages service can download this from the Games Studio website. Don't worry if you are not using the Solar 2D Games engine or the Lua language to write your games or apps. You should still be able to follow this section quite easily, as all our services API methods have been written so they are easily translatable between languages that support HTTPS POST requests, and all responses are encoded in JavaScript object notation. In the project's main.lua file, we have entered a working API key for the Online Player Account service, and a valid player account ID. You can find a player account's ID on its detail page of the Games Studio website, and also in the response to the player account login method. In the set player account custom field value method, we provide the ID of the player account we want to manage, and the unique custom field number that we want to set the string value of. And last but not least, the string we want to apply to this player account's custom field. We will unremark the method, so it is executed when the project is run. We then save the changes made to the main.lua file, and launch the project in the Solar 2D simulator. The method call responses error array is empty, indicating the call was successful and the custom field value was changed to the new string. We can now use the get method to check that the custom field's value was changed. We remark out the set method. We don't want to run that again. In the get method, we need to supply the player account ID and the unique number of the custom field we want to get the value of. We unremark the get method so it will run in the simulator, and again, we save the changes we have made to the main.lua file, then relaunch the project. The response was completed successfully and it contains the string we set that custom field value to in the previous step. For completeness, we can also look at the player account's detail page to review that custom field value. And there is the updated string. We hope you have enjoyed this video. You can find more like these on our dedicated YouTube channel.